That is love, but to me it's looking counterfeit. I get done with one, then move right on to another bitch. Yeah. College educated, she graduated. Any bill she can from her parents paid it. The show was far, you the only one with a car out your girlfriends. But being that she's a big fan, of course she made it. Most girls wanna hide the fact that though I just name a time and a place in your game for value player, hotel room, meet you there.